The curve y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 as the gradient 7 when x is equal to 1. Find the value of a. The curve we are given is y is equal to ax cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Gradient of this curve is gotten by getting dy dx, because the line has a variable y and x. So dy dx is equal to the gradient. Dy dx implies that we differentiate. When we differentiate, it will be dy dx will be equal to, when we differentiate, we take the power, multiply by the coefficient of the unknown, of the variable x. That would be 3 times a. Then x. Now the power, after multiplying by the coefficient, we subtract 1. When we subtract 1, it will be 3 minus 1. Minus, this one also we take 2 times 3, that is 6. Then we have x, 2 minus 1, minus, for this case, the power of x is 1. So if you take 1 times 2, we are going to have 2. X, 1 minus 1, plus, the variable, the number 1 does not have x. X is raised to power 0. It's like x raised to power 0. So in this case, even if you differentiate, 0 times 1 will give us 0, and everything will be 0. So our dy dx will therefore be equal to 3a x raised to power 2 minus 6x minus 2. But this dy dx is equal to gradient. So we are going to equate it with the gradient which we had by saying that gradient which you are given to be 7 is equal to dy dx, and dy dx is equal to 3a x squared minus 6x minus 2. This will simplify to 7 is equal to 3ax squared minus 6x minus 2. But you are told to find the gradient. We were told that it has a gradient of 7 when x is equal to 1. So after getting the gradient, we substitute x is equal to 1. Wherever there is x, we substitute 1. So our equation will therefore be 7 is equal to 3a times 1 squared minus 6 times 1 minus 2. This simplifies to 7 is equal to 3a, because 1 squared is 1, minus 6 minus 2. 7 is equal to 3a minus 8, because minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8. I can bring 8 to the other side, so that we are going to have 7 plus 8 is equal to 3a. 15 is equal to 3a. This implies that a is equal to 15 over 3 if we divide both sides by 3, and therefore a is equal to 5.